Sit erect in the chair, hands on your thighs. Now bring your tongue out and fold both sides of the tongue towards each other, which resembles a tube or a straw. Take a long, deep inhalation through the center of this tube, which is formed by folding both sides of the tongue. After inhalation, close your mouth and exhale with both nostrils. Sit erect on the chair with your back straight, hands on your thighs in Gyan Mudra. Join your teeth lightly, separate your lips to expose the teeth. Inhale slowly and deeply through your teeth. At the end of the inhalation, close your mouth. Exhale slowly through your nose. This is one round. Sit comfortably in Padmasana or Sukhasana. Make a pranayama mudra by your fingers. Press the index and middle finger of your hand towards the palm. Now use your right thumb to shut the right nostril. Now inhale slowly and deeply through your left nostril until your lungs fill with maximum air. Exhale slowly through the right nostril. This is one circle. Sit in any comfortable meditation posture, preferably Padmasana. Those who cannot sit in a meditation posture may sit against a wall with the legs outstretched or in a chair which has a straight back. Keep the head and spine upright. Relax your whole body and close your eyes. Your hands should be in the nose tip position. Hold the fingers of the right hand in front of the face. Rest the index and middle fingers gently on the eyebrow center. Both fingers should be relaxed. The thumb is above the right nostril and the ring finger above the left. These two digits control the flow of breath in the nostrils by alternately pressing on one nostril, blocking the flow of breath, and then the other. Close the right nostril with the thumb and breathe in through the left nostril. Do not strain. Close the left nostril with the ring finger. Release the pressure of the thumb on the right nostril, and the time for inhalation and exhalation should be equal. Inhale through the right nostril, keeping the same count. At the end of inhalation, close the right nostril, open the left nostril, and exhale through the left nostril. Lie flat on the back with your arms comfortably away from your body, palms facing upward. A thin pillow or folded cloth may be placed under the head to prevent discomfort. Let the fingers curl up naturally. Move your feet slightly apart to a comfortable position and close your eyes. Become aware of your natural breath and allow it to become rhythmic and relaxed.